Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bob World Etrade only way. Open the Bob World app, sign in with your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Tap Trade, search a ticker symbol, choose order type, set quantity and limit price, then confirm the trade. Monitor positions on the Portfolio tab, set alerts for price changes, and review trade history for records. Reach out to support if you see issues. Choose market or limit orders based on urgency and price control, and understand that market orders execute immediately at current prices. For limit orders, set your target price and quantity, then review estimated fees and total cost before you confirm. Use stop loss to limit downside, and consider order duration options like day or good till canceled. Practice with small amounts until you are comfortable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like as it helps us make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and hands-free voice control that makes checking markets fun. It's a small upgrade that brightens your desk or trading nook, and it pairs easily with phones. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Track positions and performance daily, and set price alerts to catch opportunities and manage risk. Use the portfolio analytics to view gains, losses, and allocation across sectors or asset classes. Download trade history for taxes, export CSVs, and watch for Form 1099 delivery timing. When withdrawing funds, confirm settlement times and transfer methods to avoid surprises, and contact support for any discrepancies or questions you cannot resolve on your own today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.